Hi, it's Naomi from Timeshare Explorers with another Vacation Club room tour. Before I start this tour, I'd like to say a huge thank you to DVC Shop for sponsoring us here at Disney Vacation Club on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. If you're looking to purchase or sell a DVC contract, rent points for a trip to a DVC property, or rent your points out, DVC Shop is your one-stop shop for all things DVC. Their channel, website, and Facebook page is linked in the description below. Here we are at Disney Vacation Club in Hilton Head Island. We just checked in and we're in room 1612. How that works here is you are in a building, so 16, and then the third number is the floor, 1. We're on the first floor and we're in the second unit. So when you walk in, you have a really nice mudroom. I always really appreciate it when resorts have a little mudroom area. Just something to, as a catch-all. Right here we have our laundry, full-size washer and dryer, laundry basket, shelves for extra storage. You have your ironing board and an iron. That door is to the room next door if you had a joint room. Okay, walking straight in, we get to see the living room. There's an oversized chair here, which looks like it turns out into a twin-size bed. And then here is what looks like a queen sleeper. So here you could fit 3 people. Here's the television, which is a built-in to the island in the kitchen. We'll go into the kitchen. It's a fair size. For this size unit, we are in a 1-bedroom. Plenty of counter space. We have all of our dishes, cookware, anything you would need to prepare some quick meals for your family. Full-size refrigerator and freezer. There's a garbage disposal, there's a dishwasher, stove, oven, and here are some extra storage shelves with some extra counter space. The dining area looks like it would seat 6 people, maybe 5 comfortably. You have the corner bench and 2 chairs. Here we're gonna go check out our patio. It is fairly large. I'll stand all the way back here on one side. We have 2 doors onto the deck. There's one from the master and one from the living room. You have a table and 4 stools, and then 2 rocking chairs. Our room in building 16 is overlooking some activities. We've got horseshoe, picnic area with a grill. The grills here are charcoal, they are not gas grills. And there's a hammock over there. Now let's go back into the room. So when we came in, to our right was the laundry and the mudroom. Now we're going to go to the left And there's 2 doors, one to the master and one to the bathroom. I'll go to the master bedroom first. We have a large king-size bed, storage in the nightstands, there's a mirror, a stand for your luggage with some storage, and a small dresser with a TV. The drawers are a fair size. Oversized armchair here. You have a door leading out to the patio. And then a window to let in some natural light. I don't think the window is dirty, it's just very steamy. We're having some storms today. So now here is part of the bathroom. There is no door here in the master. So in here you have a counter space and then a large jetted soaker tub. There is a step up for it. Here's a closet. In your closet, you're gonna have the extra pillows and blankets, lots of hangers, a mechanical mop, and a vacuum cleaner. And then here's your in-wall safe. Right here is one sink vanity, lots of storage, toiletries. Then we're gonna go into the second part of the bathroom. There is a door here. So the room with the toilet has 2 doors on it. And here's another sink. So you get 2 sinks, toiletries, towels behind the doors, and then we have a walk-in shower. There is a step into the shower. And then we come back out and we are right here by the kitchen and the door. So that is the tour for a 1-bedroom villa at Disney Vacation Club in Hilton Head Island. I hope you all enjoyed. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell so you'll be notified for all of our videos, and share this video with a friend if you or they are thinking of visiting Hilton Head at Disney's Vacation Club. Thanks for exploring with us.